Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of my Gold Hells-Scythe. So here we go, let's get into it. Now I didn't actually win this one on the app, just bought this one online, but I had to have it. Got it cheaper than what people would ask for the price anyway. That open. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful gold Beyblade. Let's get it all put together. Now, I won't be spinning this Beyblade ever because the paint comes off very easily, but it's going to look like a good showpiece. Let's get that open. Look at that. It's beautiful. The ratchet and the bit. Now we'll put it together. Spin it to the left. Put that in the bottom, and my Gold Hells-Scythe is complete. Just look at that. Here's an original Hells-Scythe. That's the difference. That's nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, and follow on TikTok.